So I got married like 13 years ago. We didn't have too many options, so obviously I went abroad and got something for myself. It was a sari. Definitely sleek buns, because I feel it looks more modern and clean. In terms of decor, outfits, I think I would keep it minimal and maybe choose sophisticated, like low-key colors and work. I would go for pastels more than red. Yeah. So TRESRush products have low sulfate, and it has argan oil, which is very good for color protection for colored hair. And also it has keratin, and it's keratin smooth shampoo. So for keratin treated hair, it's also very good.